Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over what is Instacart Plus on the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and are considering Instacart Plus. What actually is it? So if you go into your Instacart app and then click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner, then click on Get Instacart Plus, you could read all the benefits of Instacart Plus here. So essentially, you get $0 on grocery delivery fees, you get $0 in restaurant delivery fees, and you could also share this membership with other family members. So there is a annual plan and a monthly plan. The monthly plan starts at $9.99. The annual plan saves you about $1 per month and starts at $8.25 a month. But go ahead and decide whether Instacart Plus is for you, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and figure out what Instacart Plus is. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.